Taking a break during a family vacation in Massachusetts, President Obama praised Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke for helping to steer the economy away from the deepest and longest recession since the 1930s.
As an expert on the causes of the Great Depression, I'm sure Ben never imagined that he would be part of a team responsible for preventing another. But because of his background, his temperament, his courage, and his creativity, that's exactly what he has helped to achieve. And that is why I am reappointing him to another term as chairman of the Federal Reserve.
Bernanke, who was appointed by President George W. Bush in 2006, is credited with guiding an economy on the verge of collapse. In sticking with Bernanke, analysts say the president is sending a message to the financial sector that his administration plans to stay the course. Economics professor Peter Morisi calls it a good move economically and politically.
Certainly from the point of view of economics, it makes sense. Bernanke has the experience and the background to do a good job going forward. He's the person best situated among those that were available to wind down all the credit we've given the banks and avoid inflation going forward. And with the president facing a decline in his popularity ratings and difficulties over health care and the budget, making this announcement now is a positive step politically.
While he's not without critics, Bernanke is seen by many on Wall Street as the best choice to lead the U.S. into a sustainable recovery, partly for his unconventional and unprecedented lending programs, but also for his steady approach in rescuing an industry in the midst of a meltdown. Mark Zandi is the chief economist at Moody'sEconomy.com.
I would rate it very highly. I think he's done a fabulous job. I think the Federal Reserve early in his tenure reacted slowly to the crisis. They misjudged the severity of what was going on, didn't lower interest rates quickly enough. But that's a very minor criticism. Once they engaged, and they become very aggressive and very incredibly creative.
If confirmed by the U.S. Senate, the former economics professor pledged to provide Americans with a foundation for growth and prosperity. Bernanke's current term expires in January 2010. Arcega, VOA News.